Hi everybody, this is Paul from Ortho Eval Pal. I want to talk to you today about the most common signs and symptoms of knee arthritis. Okay, so if you're thinking you might have knee arthritis, there are some very common things and a very common presentation for some people. Now, this is not the fact for everybody, but it is for many people who have knee arthritis. Okay, so I have with me Mr. Bonderson today, and I want to thank you so much for doing this for us to help educate the medical community out there and the general public. Mr. Bonderson is 69 years old and has had a progressive increase in knee pain bilaterally, and so we took a quick look at him today. We were actually seeing him for something else, but I thought this would be a great way to kind of see what an arthritic knee looks like. So the first thing I'd like you to do is I'd like you to stand up for me, and you're going to face the camera. And notice, the first thing you're going to notice is a bowing of the legs. Okay, that is very common. Very seldomly do the knees ever go inward and have arthritis, but it does occur. But this is the most common because the inside part of the femur is a little bit larger. It bears more weight and breaks down the inside of the knee, and therefore they start to go outward. Okay, so if you don't mind, I'm going to have you lie right down on the table. The next thing I look at is knee definition. So if you take a look at the knee, you'll notice that there's not a lot of good patella definition anymore. There is a little bit of effusion in here, so some generalized swelling inside the knee joint. But what I have noticed with many people with arthritis is that the kneecap becomes really thick, okay, and really wide, probably because of spurring on the outside of the knees, okay, and that's happening on both sides, okay. The other thing that we notice is that he's not able to straighten his leg all the way. So as I push down, if you take a look from the side here, you'll notice that there's a lot of room underneath his knee, and it's very, very snug and tight. Can you slide the heel in toward your bottom? Like this. Bend your knee and pull it all the way in as far as you can. And this becomes a little restricted also. That's painful, isn't it?
It's that high, yeah.
Yeah, so uncomfortable here, both in straightening and when bending. Okay, so that's another very common sign of arthritis in the knee. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a little poking. So we're going to poke on the inside of the knee, on this part of the joint line, right here. And we're tender in there. Right in here. Okay, that's very common. So medial joint line tenderness is very common with knee arthritis. So I usually go in the inside of that joint and find some tenderness there also. So we have swelling, we have a wide kneecap, bowing of the leg, we have tenderness on the inside, and loss of the ability to straighten it out and to bend it. So those are very common with knee arthritis. So if you suspect that you might have knee arthritis, it's a good idea to see a medical provider. Sometimes getting a little bit stronger can help make a difference. He has pretty good motion and not a tremendous amount of pain, but usually when that pain starts to get worse, it's time to really get that checked out. So hope you liked today's video on knee arthritis. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe.